Tiana. I'm a member at Sync Gallery on the Art District of Santa Fe in Denver, Colorado. And we are an artist-owned and operated gallery. We were formed in 2009, and we have just over 20 members with us currently. In mid-March, we had to close down just for public safety. We've been following the guidelines of the Art District, and so it's been kind of a ghost town down here. We just reopened in June, but we're still seeing the effects because we haven't been here since noon today, and we haven't had a single person in the gallery. It's been about 2.5 hours. So we are all adapting, but the hardest part has just been not really knowing what the right thing to do is right now. Initially, we decided to shift a lot of things to a virtual gallery, but now that we're starting to reopen, we're taking all of Denver's precautions super strictly. That means mask wearing at all times in the gallery. We are controlling the flow of traffic and limiting to 10 people max in the gallery at all times. But anyone that's immune compromised or just concerned about being in public in general, you can always reach out to us and we'll set up a private appointment for you as well. We want to make sure that art is accessible to you, the public. As a gallery, it's important to reach out to the community and display work that communicates what's going on in our current culture to the public. So come on down. We're open Thursday, Fridays, and Saturdays right now from 1 to 4. Come on by and chat art with us.